How to prank it up.
Diana, I love you. Will you marry me?
Oh my God.
I can tell by your silence that you're surprised. But Diana, I can tell that you're.
Listen, she left. She walked away. She walked away.
Do what? Do what?
Oh man, Diana is beautiful blind.
She's very pretty.
She's beautiful when you're blind, and she's beautiful when she's blind.
Oh God! Hey guys, welcome back to Prank It Up. I'm here with Dennis Roady. By far, one of my favorite pranks.
That was awesome.
Totally forgot about that.
By far.
Totally forgot about that prank.
By far, the hardest prank for me to edit to.
You know, you were just getting used to final. I remember you telling me you had all these questions.
Dude, I almost broke my
I
laptop.
was shaking. I had not eaten or
I should have
something.
known better, because that time we filmed the video with Roman Atwood where he was the dog and he peed on top of the cop car when he was the dog mascot.
Uh-huh.
So I'm driving the truck, right?
Uh-huh, yeah.
And I look over behind me to like check on you, and I see you back there with this camera, and you're literally like this. It was like, I've never seen anyone actually film with the eye hole.
He'd make fun.
I never saw it. I remember seeing it when my dad had like a VHS.
I was a professional.
You were.
I was being professional. All right, so I forgot about the follow-up. You broke up with what was her name again?
Samantha.
No, the girl in the prank.
I didn't break up. Oh, Diana. Oh, for the prank.
Yeah, you by text. You broke up with Diana via text. She's blind. She's asking people around her, "Hey, I just got a text from my boyfriend. Can you read it for me?" And that's when it said this.
Oh, this is the one where you were filming and drove me nuts. Hey, I'm gonna go to the restroom over there.
Okay.
But she's gonna stay right here. I'll be right back.
You'll be fine.
What's your name?
Cedric.
Cedric. All right, cool. I'm Dennis. Right back. So Cedric thinks I'm in the bathroom, but what he doesn't know is I'm about to break up with Diana right now. And then he's gonna have to read the text, because she can't read, she's blind.
I got a notification. Can you tell me who it's from and what it says?
Dennis Roady.
Will you tap on it? I think yeah. Dennis, that's my boyfriend.
Diana, I am not returning to the table. I just got on the bus and left. I'm not coming back. I can't handle your farts. Is he kidding? This is what he's saying.
Did he say that?
They smell horrible. Also, your sister and I have been having an affair. It's cockadoodle. You okay?
You're not coming back? You left me alone?
So cockadoodle-doo, I'm out of here.
He's having an affair with my sister?
I read that, yeah.
He said he got on a bus and he left me here and I don't know how to get home.
You don't know how to get home. Wait a minute, we're gonna get some sisters.
Okay.
Don't you worry about him. You're too beautiful to worry about that.
I was playing a joke. Was she upset?
Yeah, she upset. She's trying to walk around, she couldn't see. What would you be if you couldn't see? I mean, well, you can't. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all.
You shouldn't have did her like that.
Oh yeah, it's all right.
It's all the point.
They're just pranking.
He can see.
Yeah, I forgot all about that. That's brilliant. You wrote that. And
Yeah.
a lot of people don't know this, but you're responsible for a lot of viral videos that you're not even part of, that you've written and stuff. So that's
good. A lot of good ideas out there.
You throw away more good ideas than what most people write, except for me, because I'm the best. Guys, thanks for watching another episode of Prank It Up. Thanks again for Dennis Roady for coming down.
Thanks for having me, Tom. I love your studio, man.
Thanks, man. And you got prankkits.com. There you go. At the bottom there.
Yeah, check out prankkits.com.
Love you guys. We will see you next time.
Prank it up.
Ha ha!